Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mahesh. So we're in lockdown over here. Curfew has been imposed everywhere. So I stocked up my fridge for a whole week or more by ordering online. And they just delivered just now. So let's check out what I got. In the freezer I got some meat. 1 kilo of chicken sausages. Pre-cut whole chicken without skin. And 2 large chunks of chicken breast. Here we have some fancy, expensive ice cream, because I love ice cream. An almost empty bottle of Coke. Here's some Pepsi. I love Pepsi more than Coke. Some pomegranate juice. This has lots of vitamin C. Full cream milk. Large pack of cheese slices. And some crunchy peanut butter, because I love peanut butter. Inside the top, we got some 40 eggs. Two large loaves of white bread. Bag full of instant noodles. Yogurt, great for digesting all this food. 2 cans of corned beef. Two packs of chunky chokes. So these are my favorite biscuits in Sri Lanka. Reminds me of Tim Tams from Australia. And some leftover watermelon. Over here we got some whey protein isolate and some oats. So this should hold me over for a week at least. Hope you guys are well fed and healthy these days. See you later.